Alright guys, I just got my GoPro 13 and as I was setting it up, my headlight just got stuck with the mud. One of the way to unstuck your headlight, what I did, I get a plastic cup like this. I just made a cut and then I got this small piece here, piece of plastic. It's very thin. So what you want to make sure you do is you put olive oil, any olive oil, you put that on this little thin plastic. Once you put it there, and as you can see, my mud is stuck here, and I was able to basically kind of like slide in this piece of plastic inside. As you're doing that, just make sure that you have one finger in the back as you're pushing this in, and then to push out. Then eventually, as this will come up, and your light will get unstuck, and that way you can put it properly. And if you notice, I got some oil on top here as well. That helps kind of smooth out things, and then also it just helps with the process so that way you don't break your plastic that connects with the mud. So just make sure that you get some oil and you get a cup. You cut it like this with this small piece, and then that will technically do the work. That's all you really have to do. And it took me a while, and I was able to do that. I hope you get your lights unstuck as well.